Hello guys, I'm Mehdi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take the derivative of exponential function. So, at first, let's look at the equations that we need to be able to solve these examples. If f prime of x is e to the power of x, so the derivative of this function f prime of x is going to be e to the x again. So as you see, the differentiation of this specific function is same as its original form. This is the natural exponential function because of this e as the base. But in general form, if instead of e we have a, e can be any constant number. If a is raised to the power of x, its derivative f prime of x is going to be that thing which is a to the x but multiplied by ln a. You know, ln is natural log of this a as the base. So let's get familiar with this derivative formulas by solving some problems. If f of x equals 5 to the power of x minus 3 e to the power of 2x. So, let's try to solve this problem. This function is composed of two terms. So, let's take the derivative of these two individually. So, 5 raised to the power of x, just use the second formula. F prime of this thing is going to be 5 to the x times ln of this base, which is ln 5. Now, the next term we have minus 3. This is a coefficient, this is a constant, just keep it. Now we have to take the derivative of e to the x. So this is a natural exponential function. Using the first formula, the derivative of natural exponential function is itself. So we have e to the 2x. But the point is this, 2x is not a simple x. So we have to apply the chain rule. Just identify that this 2x is the inside function. So it must be multiplied by the derivative of this inside function. The derivative of 2x is 2. Now let's clean the statement. F prime of x equals ln 5 times 5 to the power of x minus 6 e to the power of 2x. This is the final answer for this problem. So, in this example, f of x equals a fraction on top 4e to the x divided by 7e to the x minus 2. So, when it comes to the fraction functions, what we have to do? We have to apply the quotient rule. Just as a reminder, so let's use the quotient rule to be able to take the derivative of this function. F prime of x is going to be this thing. Now, derivative of top function is 4 e to the x times g, the original bottom function, 7 e to the x minus 2, minus the derivative of bottom function. The derivative of bottom function is 7 e to the x, and the derivative of minus 2 is 0, times the original top function. It is 4 e to the x, all divided by the bottom function squared. So Now let's clean this thing. So as you see, this cancels this one, and finally we have this is the final answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. In this video I tried to explain how to take the derivative of exponential functions. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. See you next time.